What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, the heat has arrived. Last couple weeks, it's been cold, chilly, and raining and everything else, but I'm gonna tell you, summer's here, like 100 plus. So here's the deal. We've got some seriously big updates on Lieutenant Dan. The new Edge, I've got a few updates, and we need to do some fixes. Yeah. So the plan is we're gonna head out to the shop, and I'll pick up with you there. All right, boys, back in the new Edge. Yes, guys, I have been doing a few minor things to the car. Nothing crazy, but if you caught the last video on the new Edge, we got the air charged up. It is good to go and fantastic. I did get a mount. I did get a mount for the SCT, and kind of, yeah, there we go. So yeah, I got that from dangling up around, and I can also watch my air fuels and all that stuff. But we've got a couple of issues, guys, with the new Edge I need to get taken care of, and also lots of updates out the shop. So yeah, and the nitrous bottle is gone because it's so freaking hot out here. Don't want it blowing up the car. Yes! Alright, boys, so yeah, let's get out to the shop. Alright, guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not. Shift. There we go. Okay, so yeah, I know you probably are going to have a hard time hearing me, but I know you guys are curious what the plan is for the new Edge. And believe me, I don't do anything, absolutely anything, without a plan or a reason. So yes, there is a lot coming for the new Edge, and I'm trying to wait for the right time to talk about it, to tell you the plan. There's a lot of different things I got, guys. I've got a lot in the works, and when I tell you that there's a lot coming, not car builds, well, I mean there is, but there's other stuff that I'm going to be doing, and I think you guys, you know, obviously it involves you guys directly, so you're going to enjoy that. But like I said, I don't do anything without a plan, and big plans for this car. So we'll just leave it there. But yeah, for now, guys, I mean, I can't complain. The friggin' thing's got keyless entry. I'm sitting here in the ice cold air conditioning, cruising along. It's deathly loud. Yeah, deathly loud. But you know, they took the back seat and all that out, so you know, it's not the car's fault. But it rides good, it stops good. You know, I'm in 100-degree heat, blasting the air conditioning. Temp is fine. The engine and trans in this car are primo. The engine's rock solid. Like I said, it's got a built transmission, and I will have those for sale before too long. Oh, did I just give that away? Yeah. Anyway, let's get out to the shop. All right, guys, so real quick update. I've been at the shop for a little bit, doing a little work on the new Edge. Yeah, back seat in, baby. How about that? Got to move the nitrous bottle, but that'll be good. So nice little improvement there. And also over, hold on, wait for it. I don't know if you guys saw this, but the window was all jacked up, so we had to pull it out and replace the glass. It was off the track at the bottom. But yeah, guys, the new Edge making huge strides. But enough of all that. Let's get this door shut. Let's go over and check on Lieutenant Dan. Oh, and I did forget, guys, got one update. Here is the wheels for Pop's car. I got to take them over and get them rocking and rolling. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a little media blast, and the wheels are actually in pretty good shape, but we're gonna get them media blasted and a little fresh clear coat, powder coat. They should be good to go. But the word is Lieutenant Dan actually drove out under its own power. Oh, we can't show that. Yeah, we can't show that. No, we can't show what's back there. But yes, guys, Lieutenant Dan, as you can see, is right over here. Let's go check it out. Yes, guys. Got another one sitting here. All right, guys, so check it out. Dover's been off this week doing lots of work. What about it? We've got air, power steering, little air cleaner. That's a factory V6 air cleaner, guys. So yeah, you can almost sleeper mode, but it actually does drive now. There's two things we're missing. It needed a gas tank, so we got to get a gas tank and then figure out the rest of the fuel system. And there's no coolant in it and no brakes, literally 0 brakes. But stock linkage on the shifter. All right, so there's reverse, let's see, neutral, and then first, second, and come on, baby, there's third. So it's a reverse manual valve body C4 that's in it. So yeah, then just slowing down and back to first and park. So guys, I'm telling you, we're going to drive Lieutenant Dan before you know it. And if you didn't see the first fire video, go back and check that out. This thing sounds epic. Go ahead. Man, you've been busy in here. Guys, if you're new to the channel, this is where it all started, right here. Literally, all the first 4 or 5 swaps happened in here. Pretty much.
Yeah. At least 3. At least
yeah.
3, 4.
My car.
Scott.
We started the engine bay and all that down there. Yeah, Scott's car.
At least 4.
And then did all the first fire, did everything right here. This is where my car was swapped. So we've come a long way. But actually, hey, there's my 2-step. Yep. We did Mr. Hank. I can't show you what's on there. But yeah, there's the 2-step and a little bit of everything. This was a Buick, wasn't it? Oldsmobile. Oldsmobile Starfire. That's pretty cool car. Yes, guys, I can't show you what's on the cart right now. We'll talk about that later. All right, guys, so for everybody that said we're now New Edge cast, you're 100% right. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, we are actually doing a little engine swap here and just replacing a burned up 2 valve. Gonna do some timing components, and this is just a motor out of a junkyard. This motor's got a blown head gasket. So actually a pretty clean car. Nice, I think it's 02. But I'm telling you, these old 4.6s, they're getting old too. So, and as far as the blue paint, guys, don't do that. Just don't do that. But just your boy's looking out for you. Don't do that. But yeah, just swapping engines in this one. It's a local guy we know real well, so I'm gonna get him back on the road. All right, guys, so as far as what else we've got coming, there's quite a lot. We're going to try and sort out the brakes on Lieutenant Dan, and once those are sorted out and we get a fuel tank in, because it was bad, it was nasty. Actually, do you still got that clip of that gas?
I do.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna insert that clip right here. So yeah, you can see how bad the gas was. So we're gonna have to put a tank in it, figure the fuel system out, and then we're gonna burn tires in Lieutenant Dan. It's gonna be freaking epic. Here probably soon we'll blow the lid off what we're gonna do with the Edge car. And I'll just say this, we have not yet done it here on the channel. So that's all I can give you. at this point, but it's going to be pretty badass. The new Edge will be going to Steve's Fab Shop soon, and that's all I can say about that. So I gotta keep you guys watching. But anyway, guys, yeah, just the work continues. I did speak with Jennings the other day about the Bimini Blue car, and it looks like we're going to be doing a 5.2 XS Ford Racing crate motor in this one. 580 horsepower, probably going to be an automatic. Going to do the engine bay and all of that. If you guys have been kind of new to the channel and seen the car lurking, it's waiting on getting in to get the engine bay shaved and smoothed and all of that. And right now the plan is 5.2 XS, so not real sure. Then of course we've got our other children here, always a wonderful and long-standing work in progress. So there you go, boys. That is the shop update, and like I said, lots of stuff coming. Make sure, if you haven't, please consider subscribing, and also big thumbs up, and we'll be back because, you know, we got too much work to do. Like, we don't have any choice.